Okay, before we get started here, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm pulling off all this hood insulation, and I found that a really good tool to do that is the same tool that removes your doorknobs. Slide that in there, pops the pin out, you pull the the window handles off. Those just slide. I'll show you. It slides right in here like that. Pops it right off without breaking it. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to do that, and then we'll spray an engine degreaser all over it. Okay, so now what I'm doing is taking this engine degreaser and we're just hosing down everything we can, because you can never use too much of this. Just avoid the digicals. Okay, sorry if there's any background noise, but this turned out really well. I mean, there was power steering leakage everywhere down there, power steering fluid, grease, and all kinds of stuff. This thing cleaned all of that out. It's looking pretty clean under here, because I used an entire can of engine degreaser in the car. So that turned out well. Now we'll be able to change the intake and the intake carb, without having to worry about crap falling in there and, getting garbage everywhere. When we do that, that way we don't, destroy the engine by having crap fall in it. So that is pretty cool, because that pressure washer will heat the water. So this is all heated water. So it turned out pretty well, because the water heats it up and it just peeled all that grease out of there, plus that entire can of engine degreaser. So that is pretty cool. I did forget to close the door and roll it up the window just for a little bit, so that's okay. And then I also had him pressure wash the door panels to peel the paint off of them. That way I can repaint those with some Rust-Oleum plastic paint and then put those back in there, or on new doors if I get new doors. Not sure yet. So